I waited several years to get this hernia problem resolved. I don't mind waiting. It's part of being a sailor. You're often waiting. And here I am now waiting to get my mojo back. And look where I'm waiting. Here on my boat Galopin, where my friends are waiting for me to get going strong again. And if that's not inspiring. And why not a friendly pillow fight between Fanny and her cousin Dailene with Stalin, our dentist friend here, as a referee?
Oof.
Dailene is the winner by decision.
I'm feeling a little bit my mojo back. I haven't lifted my dinghy out of the water every night like I usually do because of my condition, and I couldn't be lifting and doing heavy manual stuff. But now it's been almost 3 weeks and I've got to clean up the dinghy. Check this out, man. It's unbelievable how it grows. Wow.
In these warm waters, it only took a couple of weeks for this to grow. My dinghy sure was happy to get a shave, so I could climb aboard and answer my calling.
So now I'm rested. I got a bunch done on a video too, and those guys over there on Peter's boat on Phoenix literally screaming for me to come over. The girls. It's crazy. You'll see. I'll show you.
That's right. Just a few ripples away is Peter and friends calling out for me to come aboard. It's the weekend and Peter has company. Yep, it's Stalin, our dentist again. Yes,
It's raining, guys!
he's a dentist. And I will go and see him in his dental clinic soon. My teeth are in need of a good cleaning. And I want to see him in his professional environment. We've mostly been having a good time on weekends together, letting loose in good Cape Verdean fashion.
Always welcome.
You wanted me to come.
No, we want.
I love
We're
this,
not.
because I love you.
I love you.
Like Lily here, who was calling out for me to join the fun. He recently gave Fanny a very professional cleaning. Yeah, Stalin polished Fanny fun. Life here in Cabo Verde.
So here we have my autopilot mechanism. It's time we get to work. It's time I put this thing together. Let's take it slow, methodically. Let's try to do this right.
This one gear has been the issue, as well as the belt. That gear comes in a kit, and it cost about $200, and I broke 2 of them. I was short on cash and had to wait until I could afford it. Man, I did not want to break this one, and I didn't.
And this board here to pound it in with the rubber hammer.
Because maybe I didn't rush things, took my time.
Missing a screw here. I think Peter took it apart. I'm going to ask him if he has it. Well, I found a solution. Found a nut with a washer, and I think it'll work. It's not ideal, but it's tight and it's in there until I find the right screw. Well, everything looks properly wired. Let's turn on this baby and see if it works. Think it will. I hope so, man.
But I must admit, people, I don't really like doing boat projects, fixing stuff. However, there is an element of satisfaction in fixing a problem that does feel really good, if it has a successful outcome.
It's working! It's been since I was in Dakar that had a properly functioning autopilot. My properly functioning autopilot before I was using Peter's, but now I got mine, all right.
The true test will be out in the ocean. I was now able to get around, and there was something else I needed to up my game.
We're at Eve's place. I'm getting a new mobile phone that has better video. I'm gonna give my old one to Wendy. And this is Jeannot that takes care of, qui s'occupe du petit magasin de Yves qui est pas là. Jeannot le français là, qui nous donne un coup de main.
I create these videos on a weekly basis. I always want to be armed with the ability to shoot. Video, that is. And these phones are a marvel.
So I'm testing out this new video camera. It's pretty cool. It looks so good that I look really ugly.
I don't need a clunky camera anymore. Hardly use a GoPro. This baby, a Galaxy S20, is equipped with a sophisticated camera and lenses that let me capture amazing video. I'll have to get familiar with it to be able to unleash its full potential. See if you will notice the difference.
Yves, ouais, propriétaire.
L'américain.
La frontière, ouais. Il est sénégalais capverdien.
Ouais.
The American.
Ouais.
Before, Yves, l'Américain, used to sell sneakers and shoes. Now he's gone to the mobile phone business and it's a better business.
Ouais, je remercie Alex, c'est mon client fidèle depuis toujours. Il passe très souvent ici avec ses amis pour faire des achats. Merci beaucoup Alex.
Wendy's trying out Chinese, and I'm trying out my phone.
Okay, we're treating Wendy to a special treat tonight. He's eating Chinese food, like real Chinese food. We found the Chinese restaurant finally open. She's never had Chinese food. Wendy, wo gostet Mina Chines?
Ja, man, so cool, so soft. Ja, praktisch.
So we had sweet and sour pork, we had some cabbage, and some, I think it's lo mein or whatever. Really, really good, and it's a treat to treat Wendy to something new. She's never had it. Can you imagine? Never had Chinese food.
The shots of our meal weren't great. Lighting sucked, but Wendy looked good. And I wanted to test out the slow motion feature. Not bad in this bad lighting again. But now I can study the motion mechanism in her. There must be something physiological special in her body. The way she moves, like a special bone and muscle that has evolved to tune into musical sound waves. There's another job I've ignored and procrastinated with.
So, I have this leak forever there in my hatch in my V-berth. I thought it was the seal that was the culprit, but no, there must be something else. So I'm taking apart my ceiling to get in there and see what's going on, and it just fell down on me when I took it apart. And I have a feeling I know what the problem is. Somebody screwed in a nut right through the fiberglass, and I think that's what's leaking. It's all rusted and fluttered. It's pretty clear what I need to do here. I have to reseal this whole hatch. Should have done this a long time ago, but you know, laziness, and now feeling good about my hernia fixed, and I can get some things done. Yeah, baby Galopin, I'm gonna take care of you. No more wet V-berth, okay? Okay, I got the hatch all ready. I cleaned all the holes and everything up with the trusty Dremel. So now I'm gonna apply some silicone Peter had on hand. I'm gonna replace the screws with nuts and bolts on the front and the back where they actually come through the fiberglass. On the sides here, they don't. I found some bolts, so I'm trying to do everything with what I have on hand. So I don't have to go to the store and buy stuff, because, you know, once you get started on a project, it just sucks if you have to interrupt and go to the store and buy anything. You know, you're losing all this time. You meet somebody, you have a drink, and then you never get anything done. So, well, let's hope this does it. Just completely redid the whole hatch here. I'm sure that was it. I don't think it's gonna leak anymore. Woohoo! Well, it passed the test. See, no leaks, no drops, nothing. Woohoo! Once again, why did I wait so long to do this? Test succeeded. I see no water leaks. Jeez, I'm such an idiot. Why didn't I do this before? I'm so happy, man. It's cool. Good job, Alex. You did well.
Oh, le Suisse.
Oh, it's Galopin. He's talking to me.
Tu as bien bossé.
You did a very good job, Alex.
Mais je dois te dire que tu es quand même un con suisse d'attendre si longtemps. Il n'y a vraiment pas le feu là qu'avec vous. Yep, us Swiss are in no rush. Maybe except downhill skiing.
Thanks for coming aboard Galopin Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.